This is a cold start video for the Camaro. Show you guys the temps here. As you can see, we're sitting at cold.